Volunteer antene, it means that they're doing out of service. And when that is translated into salary and that is translated into expecting something, then the whole system once again takes a beating. So to motivate volunteers, we would have to come up with some other way. In fact, one such way that had come to my mind today morning is, why don't we on Ugadi Day start off from the districts? Every constituency start felicitating these people, volunteers, give them Ratnas, Seva Ratnas or Seva Mitras, awards, so that their service is registered, their service is recognized. And maybe in Ugadi, maybe a district has probably got, my district has got 10 constituencies. So it can be a 10-day program. A district like East Godavari, probably you can go on with a program for 19 days. Maybe a program in Guntur can go on for 17 days. Every constituency one day, where the collector, the SP, the joint collector who's handling Grama Sachivalayas is also party to it. And then you have the ministers participate, the MLAs participate, and then an award is given with a reward, acknowledging what the Grama volunteers have done, segregating them as Seva Mitras and Seva Ratnas. So that recognition is one thing what periodically every year, starting from Ugadi, it goes for 10 days in few districts, goes to 15 days in a few other districts, and so on, depending on the district size. So this will be one motivation factor where these people start taking the job not as a job, but as a service. So that kind of motivation we need to also fill in every Ugadis, every year. Last 20 months, it gives me great pleasure having worked with you. In fact, there's one saying, if you're in cricket, captain alone doesn't win the match. It's the entire team effort which put together would ensure victory. And I'm very thankful to God for having given me this team, I'd say that. In fact, because everybody were exemplary. I mean, there's no second opinion about it. And the kind of passion each of you put in, that has caused these revolutionary changes to be brought about. In fact, if we were to look back and see what kind of revolutionary changes have been brought about, in fact, starting from Disha Act, a revolutionary bill giving protection to women and child, starting from there, especially to women, starting from there to the concept of village secretariats and village volunteer system. And it just doesn't end there. The list goes on to as much as going into the details of how to reduce power costs. In fact, today we are even appreciated by the central government in having taken steps and going into the minute details of how to procure power. In fact, how the power is to be procured also has been changed, and not only in our state, but the whole country is seeing how it has been done. It just doesn't end there as well. Judicial preview, the way how the tenders have been floated to remove corruption, starting from judicial preview to reverse tendering, which is actually ensured that a new paradigm in the area of governance takes place. Introduction of English medium in schools, Raitu Bharosa Kendras in villages, YSR village clinics in the villages, starting from Grama Sachivalayas also in these villages, resurvey of land, which was never done before for the past 100 years, and above all, direct benefit transfers. With a click of a button, without giving any scope for corruption, we could transfer almost 90,000 crores of rupees directly into the hands of the beneficiaries. The best part is, without giving in for corruption, without discrimination.